So what we do is we start with our equations. We have the equations 3x minus 7y equals negative 4 and negative x plus 4y equals 9. These are both in standard form. This is perfect. We have our variables with their coefficients and then our constants on the right hand side. These coefficients make up the main part of our matrix. So our matrix is going to be 3, negative 7, negative 1, 4, where we have x is the first column, y is the second column, equation 1, equation 2. We then draw a straight line, and this becomes our adjoining column of negative 4 and 9. We close our matrix. So what you see here is the augmented matrix, 3, negative 7, negative 1, 4, with the adjoining column of negative 4 and 9. Go ahead, try to come up with the augmented matrix for this linear system of x, y, and z. First, you're going to want to put it in standard form and then go from there. Try it on your own first and then resume the video when you're ready to check your solution. Alright, so first I want to put this in standard form. My first equation, I want to split up those fractions. So I get 2x over 2 minus 6y over 2. And then I want to move my z to the other side. Plus z equals 3. Equation 2, I want to order this so I get x, y, and then z. I get negative x plus 5y plus z equals 12. And in my last one, I want x first, then y, then z, which I need to pull from the other side, and move my constant to the other side. Furthermore, we should see that 2x over 2 reduces to just x, and 6y over 2 reduces to 3y. Now I can construct my augmented matrix. I'm going to have it be x, y, z, and then constants. I get 1, negative 1, 1, negative 3, 5, 3, 1, 1, negative 2, 3, 12, 2. And that is my final answer. The reason we look at these augmented matrices is because we're going to use what's called Gaussian elimination and row echelon form. First, let's address row echelon form. Row echelon form has 3 characteristics. The first is that the first non-zero entry in each row is 1. The second characteristic is that every entry in the column below each such one called a leading one is 0, and each leading one appears further to the right than leading ones. I need a little bit more space. So then leading ones in previous rows. Lastly, all rows consisting entirely of zeros if there are any,